shopping at the local garden center. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so I'm here at a garden farm stand over here, but close to me. So let's go take a look and see what they have for garden seedlings. I see they have a huge selection of flowers over here, and they're just by the roadside. They have a huge selection of flowers over here, and I also see they have some selection of vegetables too. Let's go through the and see what they have in terms of flowers and in terms of vegetables and seedlings. So let me know in the comments below if you have local garden centers and farm stands around your area, and if you shop them. I've seen that they have most often local farm stands and local garden centers have a good selection, and also their prices are more affordable than some big box stores. So check them out and see if that's the same in your own area. But they have a huge selection of flowers over here, and the prices that I've seen is let's say 4-pack for I think $4.49. So definitely that's not bad. It's good, good selection and good price too. So definitely something to take a look at if you're looking for seedlings, for vegetable seedlings, or you're looking for flower seedlings. Check out the local farm stand, local garden centers, and they might have some selections for you at a affordable price. It saves you money, right? So here they have herbs over here. As you can see, they have some variety of herbs over here, and so yeah, they have quite a few variety of herbs on this rack right here, and I think the prices are still the same. On this one, they have more variety of herbs, and here is butternut. They have different herbs over here, thyme and other herbs down here. Here you have like lettuce and salad mix variety, and then you have up here different variety of plants. So quite a good selection of. They have peppers over there. They have some more lettuce salad mix over here. So let's take a look at this one. Looks like they have more like pumpkin and other butternut squash. Like they have, yeah, they have some quite a few different vegetables, zucchinis, and some different vegetables over here that you could definitely grab. Beans and pumpkin. They have peppers, and like I said, the prices are $4.49 for a pack of 4. So definitely something to check out. The prices might not be the same in your area, but definitely might be similar because like I said, most farm stands that I've visited have much better prices than the big box stores. Okay, let's go through and check out and see what they have in terms of their peppers and tomatoes and other stuff. Enjoy the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Enjoy the video with this music, and happy growing, everybody.